Hi everybody. We are going to prepare a microscope slide today to use in some of our samples. We have the microscope slide itself, which is a piece of glass. We have cover glasses, which are very small and thin pieces of glasses to cover the sample. I'm using some newsprint as my sample. I'll cut a small piece out. I have some water to hold the slide in place. So what we're going to do, and I've placed this on a blue background just so you can see the glass. It gets kind of washed out on the white tabletop. I'm going to cut a small piece of newsprint. That's about big enough. And I'm going to use a small amount of water, and that water is going to hold the newsprint in place. First it's going to stick to my eyedropper, then it's going to stick to the glass. And then I'm going to use my cover slide to cover that sample. Now the cover slide keeps the lens clean, so the objective lens never actually has to touch the sample. The sample could be all kinds of different things that you're looking at under the microscope, and you don't want that touching the optics of your microscope. But this is a simple microscope slide that we can make, and with that we can look at the fibers of the paper, the ink on the newsprint, and in higher magnifications maybe find some interesting stuff in the actual paper fiber itself. So that's making a sample slide with a small piece of newsprint.